Hello friends, today I am going to discuss about basics and principle of mass spectroscopy. So what is mass spectroscopy? It is a spectroscopic technique by using which we can determine the molecular mass of the compound, and it is the most accurate method amongst all spectroscopic methods. So, mass spectroscopy is used to determine the molecular mass or molecular weight of the compounds. So, here I am taking an example of neopentane, whose formula is C5H12. The molecular mass of neopentane is 72 and the charge present in it is +1. In mass spectroscopy, we'll see that the signal will be appear in the form of mass to charge ratio, that is m upon E or m upon Z. So the molecular mass of neopentane is 72 and the charge present in it is +1. Generally, the charge will be +1 in the most of the cases, but rarely it will be +2. Now we are going through the principle of mass spectroscopy. In principle, we will discuss why this charge is +1. So, what is the principle of mass spectroscopy? In mass spectroscopy, we will take a compound or analyte and a beam of electron bombarded on that particular compound, and ultimately one electron will be released from that compound along with the bombarded electron. So here we are taking one molecule M, and in this molecule beam of electrons will be bombarded. One electron will attack to this molecule as we seen in the given reaction. One electron will attack to this molecule, and in the next step removal of one electron takes place from this molecule, and one electron is removed along with the electron. Ultimately, removal of two electrons takes place. Removal of one electron takes place from the molecule or analyte, then that molecule will be positively charged because of removal of one electron, and that is known as molecular ion. So the reaction can be written as, here the molecule M is present. When electrons will be bombarded into this M, then one electron will be removed from the molecule M, which is denoted by green color, and one electron removed, which is denoted by red color. So here in molecule M, one positively charged due to removal of green electron, and one single electron is remaining because electrons are always present in the form of lone pairs. So here one electron is removed and one electron is remaining, and it acts as a free radical, means the remaining electron acts as a free radical. Now here, due to presence of this free radical, the M+ ion or molecular ion will be unstable, and to get stable state, molecular ion is fragmented in the form of M1 or M2. If positive charge will come with M1, then free radical come with M2. If the positive charge come with M2, then the free radical come with M1, and these are known as fragment ions. Ultimately, molecular ions will be fragmented into stable ions. In mass spectroscopy, only positively charged ions can be detected. So in this case we get three positive ions, that is molecular ion, M1+ and M2+. Now, when electron will be bombarded to this neopentane C5H12, it becomes positively charged and free radical. Means it contains positive charge and free radical both. One positive charge and one free radical. So it can give 4 types of fragment.